Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to leave a Facebook group on mobile. So if you're on your iPhone, iPad, Android device, what you're going to want to do is open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in to the profile that is a part of the group that you're trying to leave. And then once you're here from your homepage, go to the three lines in the lower right-hand corner there, the three lines that are horizontal, select those, and that'll bring you to the different options here within Facebook. And then go to groups. It'll be right there on the right-hand side. Maybe yours has moved around a little bit, but you want to select the one that says groups, obviously, and then tap on the groups. Now, what you're going to see here is at the very top something that says your groups. Go ahead and tap on your groups in the upper left-hand corner. All right, and then once we're here, we just need to scroll down to where you see other. It's going to show all of the Facebook groups that you are a part of here, and then tap on the group that you're wanting to leave. And then once you're here, go ahead and select that group there. And now what you're going to want to do is tap on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of your screen there, bringing up the tools options. And then as you can see here, the bottom option there that says leave group, and it has an open door with a right-facing arrow. Go ahead and tap on leave group, just like that. It'll say, are you sure you want to leave this group, or do you just want to turn off notifications? Go ahead and tap on leave group, and then you are no longer a part of that specific group. It says you've left this group. You can also report this group if you're leaving for offensive reasons. And then just a pro tip, if you are an admin or a creator of a group, you will not be able to leave that group until you remove every last person from that group. So as you can see here, if I go and tap on this group here, which I'm a part of here, I've created, you can see I do not have the option here to go and leave or remove myself from the group. I only have the edit and the admin options available to me. So you cannot do that if you are a creator or you're someone who originated the group. So that's how you leave a group on mobile on Facebook. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below. If you would, help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more great tech tips just like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.